So welcome dear students in part 5 of some basic concepts of chemistry. Our today's topic is Dalton's atomic theory and modern atomic theory. If you have not watched the part 4 of this unit, then just click on the above link to watch the same. Dalton's atomic theory given by John Dalton in 1808. ये जो theory दे दी John Dalton ने, इसका मकसद यही था to tell that every matter is made up of atoms. इसने कहा कि हर एक matter small particles का बना होता है जिनको atoms कहते हैं. तो इस थ्योरी के मेन postulates जो है they are as follows. Number first postulate है that every matter consists of extremely small, indivisible and indestructible particles called atoms. दूसरे इसने बताया कि atoms of same element जो है they are identical in shape, size and mass. And atoms of different elements have different shape, size and mass. जैसे हम देख सकते हैं आयरन एंड एल्युमिनियम के जो एटम हैं they will be different. Now another postulate is that atoms of two or more elements combine in a fixed ratio to form compound atoms. जैसे हम देखते हैं water molecule is formed from oxygen and hydrogen. Next इसने बताया that atom can either be created or be destroyed during a chemical reaction. Similarly, chemical reactions involve combination, separation and rearrangement of atoms. So ये इसके postulates हैं कि जब भी कोई chemical reaction होती है वहाँ पे atoms का rearrangement होता है और atom ही वो छोटा particle है जो chemical reaction में हिस्सा लेता है. तो ये जो Dalton's atomic theory है, it was used by other scientists like J.J. Thomson, like नील बोहर, like रदरफोर्ड. इन्होंने ये डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी यूज की, पर इस थ्योरी के लिमिटेशंस हैं. जैसे दिस थ्योरी डज नॉट एक्सप्लेन गै-ल्यूसिक्स लॉ ऑफ गैसियस वॉल्यूम्स. बाकी जो फर्स्ट 4 लॉज है वो तो ये एक्सप्लेन कर पा रही है, बट not the last one, that is the gay-Lussac's law. Similarly, it does not explain why atoms of different elements have different masses and sizes and shapes. Similarly, ये जो theory है, it does not explain how and why atoms of different elements combine to form compound atoms. ऐसा क्यों होता है? Similarly, this theory fails to explain the nature of binding force. Atoms के दरमियान कौन सा binding force है? जब वो combine होते हैं molecules बनाते हैं तो उनके अंदर कौन सा binding force होता है? जैसे हम देखते हैं solid, liquid and gaseous state, the 3 main states of matter. Similarly, this theory makes no distinction between the ultimate particles of an element or a compound. Now, ये जो डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी है, बिकॉज ऑफ दीज लिमिटेशंस ये मॉडिफाई की गई इनटू मॉडिफाइड डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी और आल्सो नोन एज मॉडर्न एटॉमिक थ्योरी. सो नाउ लेट्स सी द मॉडर्न एटॉमिक थ्योरी. सो दिस मॉडर्न एटॉमिक थ्योरी इसका जो पहला पोस्टुलेट है, दैट इज एन एटम इज नो लॉन्गर कंसिडर्ड इनडिविजिबल. It is made up of electrons, protons and neutrons. As you know कि एटम की एक complex structure है, इसके अंदर electron, proton, neutron सब atomic particles हैं. So इसकी complex structure है, it is no longer indivisible. दूसरा postulate ये है that atoms of same element may have different atomic masses. They are known as isotopes. जैसे क्लोरीन के 2 atoms हैं having mass 35 and 37, so they are the isotopes of chlorine. Similarly, hydrogen exists in 3 isotopes: protium, deuterium and tritium. They have different atomic mass. Now another postulate is that atoms of different elements may have same atomic weights and they are known as isobars. So isobars जो होते हैं उनके अंदर atomic mass उनका same होता है. जैसे calcium and argon we are having, दोनों के अंदर atomic mass जो है that is 40 AMU. So they are known as isobars. So isobars are atoms of different elements having same atomic mass or weight. Another postulate is that whenever atoms combine they form compound atom. The ratio may be fixed and integral, but it is not always simple. जैसे हम sugar के अंदर देखते हैं ratio is 12:22:11. So this ratio is fixed and integral, but it is not simple. तो ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि रेशियो हमेशा कंपाउंड्स के अंदर सिंपल होगा. Another postulate is that the atom is the smallest particle that takes part in chemical reaction. So atoms ही किसी भी chemical reaction में take part करते हैं. So next is that atoms of an element can be converted into another. एक एलिमेंट का जो एटम है वो हम दूसरे एटम में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. जैसे नाइट्रोजन हियर, नाइट्रोजन का न्यूक्लियस अगर हम बम्बार्ड करेंगे अल्फा पार्टिकल से, सो इट गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू ऑक्सीजन एटम. So now let's recap. So Dalton's atomic theory has following main postulates. Number first is that every matter consists of extremely small, indivisible and indestructible particles called atoms. Next, atoms of same elements are identical in shape, size and mass. Next, atoms of different elements have different sizes, masses and chemical properties. Next is that atoms of two or more elements combine in a fixed ratio to form a compound atom, जिनको हम simply अब molecules कहते हैं. Next is atom can neither be created nor be destroyed during a chemical reaction. Next is that any chemical reaction involves combination, separation or rearrangement of atoms. Now let's have the various postulates of modern atomic theory. Let's recap it. Number first postulate is that atom is no longer considered indivisible. It is made up of electrons, protons and neutrons, जिनको हम subatomic particles भी कहते हैं. Next is atoms of same element may have different atomic masses. They are known as isotopes. Next is that atoms of elements that possess different atomic masses, they are known as isotopes. Similarly, atoms of different elements may have same atomic masses. Next is the ratio in which the different atoms of different elements combine may be fixed and integral but may not always be simple, जैसे हमने sugar के अंदर देख लिया. So next is the atom is the smallest particle that takes part in a chemical reaction. And the last one is that atom is not indestructible. एक atom को हम दूसरे atom में convert कर सकते हैं. So thank you.